So there's actually words that you're saying every single day that are blocking you from having more money in your life. And they're really easy things to stop saying. And there's quite a lot of them that we say every single day. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the things that you never should say again. And the ironic thing, it's quite marvelous, is that when you stop saying them, amazing things start happening. It's quite amazing to realize how much of your financial life is controlled by the words that you use every single day. So in this video, these are words you should never say when you have no money or you just want more money. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Make sure you hit the like button right over there. And be sure to check out my free success hypnosis. I created a success hypnosis to reprogram your subconscious mind. It's right there down below. And if you reprogram it, you can turn it into a magnet for you to attract financial success. It's free, jakeshypnosis.com, in the description and the comments right there down below. Let's dive right into this video. So the first one is I'm poor. And it's like, why would you ever say that? If you understand the basis that your thoughts create reality, or more specifically, if you want to be more specific, it's that your consciousness creates reality. Your consciousness has an effect on subatomic particles, and subatomic particles are the basis of reality. So your overwhelming thoughts or consciousness creates your bank account. What is your bank account? Your bank account is just a bunch of light photons. That's all your bank account is. And what is consciousness? It is a bunch of basically light photons moving at the speed of light. And so why would you say that I'm poor? Instead, say this: God's wealth flows to me in avalanches of abundance. It's like, why not say it? It's just a habit. You've got to make it a habit at first. Eliminate the words I am poor. Why would you ever say that? You are one with the divine, infinitely abundant source of creation. Why would you ever say I'm poor? You just don't have money in your bank account, but your bank account is just a representation of the past, so you don't even need to describe it anymore because it's just the past. Why not instead say, God's wealth flows to me in avalanches of abundance? Comment that down below. God's wealth flows to me in avalanches of abundance. God's wealth flows to you in avalanches of abundance. I hate rich people. I used to say that one all the time. I really hated rich people. I really hated them. I thought they ruined the world. I thought rich people ruined the world. Rich people didn't ruin the world. Nobody ruined the world. The world is perfectly as it's supposed to be, and it's in God's hands. And if you really want to play that game, you would say greed or hatred is what has corrupted the world, not rich people. Think about it. Think about how many things have gotten better because of rich people. And think about this. So do you help poor people by being one of them? Am I helping you if I was poor? No. By me creating wealth for myself, I'm able to help you. By you creating wealth for yourself, you're able to help your church, you're able to help your community, you're able to help your favorite nonprofit, you're able to help your favorite political and social and economic causes, you're able to put your kids in the right school, you're able to get a nice, beautiful home that you enjoy to live in. Wealth is a good thing. And besides the point, why would you hate a rich person? You don't even know them, right? Like I did, and a lot of people that don't have money hate rich people. And what it really is a protective mechanism off of you not having what you want. So it's an unconscious protective mechanism. If you don't get what you want, then you have to victimize or vilify somebody who has what they want. But think about the subconscious message you are sending. If you see someone with a really nice car, and let's say you don't even like Ferraris, and you hate cars, you're not going to do that with your money. But you see someone with it and you go, rich jerk. What are you sending to your subconscious? You are saying money is bad. And if you send the message that rich people are bad, rich people are evil, you don't like rich people should give all their money to charity. If you send that message to your subconscious mind, what are you doing? You're transmitting a message that money is bad. Your subconscious isn't rational. It doesn't know how to decipher what you really mean. And so when you do that, what you're really doing is telling your subconscious that money is bad. Your subconscious, which is just the driver of your life, says, okay, boss says money is bad. So I'm going to make sure that boss doesn't have any money, because if money's bad, I'm going to make sure boss doesn't have any. Stop saying rich people are bad. Stop saying money is bad. Stop saying money is evil. Money is a neutral medium of exchange that we need in our world. It's just a neutral medium of exchange that we need in our world. Money just allows you to purchase the things that you want to experience in life. It's all God's creation. It's all perfect. It's all holy. It's all totally good. So instead, say something like this: I can make the world better because I'm rich. I am wealthy beyond measure. I can make the world better because I'm rich. I'm wealthy beyond measure. Maybe it's just not meant to be, Jake. Maybe it's just not meant to be, Jake. Think about this one. People do this with everything that they want in life. They set a goal and they say, Jake, you inspired me. I'm going to go out and I'm going to make more money. And then it doesn't happen as fast as you want. And when it doesn't happen, or you get denied that job opportunity, or that sale doesn't work out, you say, I guess it's just not meant to be. What if the right moment was waiting for you to stop waiting for the right moment? What if it wasn't a sign from God saying, you know what, you just can't do it? What if God was trying to test you? So often people start and stop and start and stop, and they look out and they say, see, it's just not meant to be, Jake. It's just not meant to be. I can tell you one thing. That is an entirely false statement for a lot of reasons. Number one being, how could it not be meant to be? All money is abundance. All money is options, and all money is freedom. So it is against divine law for you to not have it. Because all God created you to be free. God created you to be powerful. God created you to experience life. The universe is limitless in nature. So how would it be not meant to be for you to not partake in that natural spiritual law? Your spiritual DNA is perfect. Your spiritual DNA is for constant expansion and freedom. So how would it not be meant to be for you to have more money in life? For you to have and experience the things that you want? It doesn't make sense if you rationally deduce it. If you go, okay, everything is God because everything is energy. Alan Watts says you can't get wet by the word water. So call it whatever you want, but God's in everything. So if I am a divine being and I'm one with God, and God's qualities are abundance, constant expansion, then isn't it totally right and natural for me to have all the freedom and abundance that I want in life? As long as I don't impede on other people's free wills and yada yada from the Constitution. Isn't it? And you go, yeah, it is actually. So how would it not be meant to be for you to have your dream life? For you to have freedom and options, and to not live with stress, and for you to put your kids in the school you want, and have the insurance you want, and the house you want, and the car you want, and the life you want, and the lifestyle you want? Why would it not be meant to be? It's just divine law. So you have to reframe it. It is your right to be rich. I remember the first time I heard that statement, it sounded really stupid. Just being honest, it sounded stupid. And it sounded very unnatural. It's my right to be rich? Well, there's people starving in the world. Well, there's people going hungry. It's my right to be rich? Yeah, actually, it is your right to be rich. I mean, look, if you're one of those people that's supposed to end world hunger, how are you going to do it if you're poor? I can assure you that you're not. Right? So money's good. And you're supposed to have it. So comment down below, it's my right to be rich. Comment that down below. It's my right to be rich. Last but not least, I'm not smart enough. Well, you're not your body anyways. I am Jake Ducey. That's not who I am. That's silly. That's just a name. It's just a word. I could have very well been Bob Smith, not Jake Ducey. So if I'm not Jake Ducey, then what am I? Well, I'm this person right here. That's not who I am. That's 1% of who I am, maybe even less. 99% of who I am, I cannot see, smell, taste, and touch. This thing dies. This is not who I am. Right? At all. I am an infinite being on a limitless cosmic journey that continues long after I die. And so, how could I not be smart enough? Smart enough for what? Smart enough for somebody's rules? There's tons of dumb people that make a lot of money. I might be one of them. Just joking, but seriously. You got to reframe that. I'm a genius and I apply my wisdom. I'm a genius. I apply my wisdom. Say it with passion. Say it with excitement. I'm a genius. I apply my wisdom. I'm a genius. I apply my wisdom. I'm a genius. I apply my wisdom. I started saying this, I don't know, 10, 50, 100 times a day out loud until I believed it. Right? Because how could you not have genius within you if you're one with God, and God has created this genius, beautiful, magnificent, not only world, but solar system. And you're one with it. You have access to the same cosmic power that flows to and through you. And besides, I mean, if you want to play the whole game of, well, you know, you are a body. Well, how could you not be capable of everything? Because the whole idea of you just being a body, even if you wanted to play that game, all right? Well, there's tons of people that make lots of money that are quote unquote not intelligent by today's standards. So society's definition of intelligence has nothing to do with how much money you can earn in your life. So comment down below, I'm a genius and I apply my wisdom. You are a genius and you can apply your wisdom. You can do this. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Make sure you hit the like button right over there on this side and right over there on this side. The like button is what sends us out into the YouTube universe so more people see this. So make sure you hit the like button right over there and subscribe, bell notification. That's what notifies you for new videos. If you haven't yet, check out my free success hypnosis. It's jakeshypnosis.com. It's right there down below. It's jakeshypnosis.com. It's my free success hypnosis to reprogram your subconscious mind to start to attract the things that you want in life. So check that out, jakeshypnosis.com, right there down below. I'll see you on the next video.